little change has been made when it comes to your leaders, but it will avoid confusing when it comes to your snap modes. So for this exercise, I'm just going to switch off my grid. And now on my left hand side, if I go to my leader set, you will notice that my creation direction is started header. So I'm going to say OK. And now you'll see, as soon as I'm going to make use of the command itself, in the command line, Caddie asks us, indicate start of leader. And then previously up to Caddie 26, you had to press S for spline and P for polyline. So now it's been changed to L, because your S is by default set to AutosSnap. As you have a look at my pointer, if I press F, it's freehand, S is for AutosSnap. So at any stage, I can still toggle between a spline and a polyline in my command line. So as it shows in my command line, type is currently spline. So if I press P for polyline, then it changed to polyline. And if I press L on the keyboard, it changed it to spline. So I remain in AutosSnap mode. I'm going to zoom in, indicate the start point, indicate the next point, indicate the next point. And then I would like to add some text. So I'm going to press P for text. Opens the editor, and I can give it a radius of 1000. So I'm going to say OK, press escape. There we go.